Okay, so for this one, dealing with some bigger numbers, but let's just do it step by step. We'll distribute that 2 in here. And so plus 24 minus 2 root 243. And at this point, we'll just look at them individually, each of these terms, and break them down as much as we can. And in the end, we'll see if we do have any like terms. So going ahead with this, I'd probably pull out my calculator for this one and figure out, thinking of perfect squares that go into 432. One way of breaking it down would be 144 and 3. Now, if you didn't get that, like if you ended up breaking it down a little more simple than that, and 4 times something, you may have a couple extra steps, but perfectly legitimate. You'll still end up with the right answer, just a little bit more steps. So it's kind of up to you what compromise, as far as do you play with your calculator a little bit longer to come up with a bigger / better breakdown, get to that 144 and 3, or just take an intermediate step and maybe not quite as much time on the calculator, but an extra step is worth it to you. That's fine, as long as you make sure that you're careful with your numbers. All is good. And 243, a little bit of playing with that, and we could go to 81 and 3. And so let's go from there. 2 times the square root of 144 is 12. So 2 times 12 is 24 root 3. And we have 24 by itself there. And then 2 times the square root of 81 is 9. So 2 times 9 is 18 root 3. All right, so that means we have 2 like terms there. We can bring those together for a 6 root 3's. And the 24 is just left over. And that would be our final answer.